Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 28th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will be warm and dry tomorrow. Then the weather turns stormy by Wednesday night, maybe some severe storms with the system. So let's talk about it. This is the upper air look. We're watching that deep upper low that's coming into California. That's the system that will be moving eastward, bringing the chance of severe storms here Wednesday night. But today we have a northwest flow aloft and a beautiful day. Visible satellite view, nothing but sunshine. A few scattered high clouds across the Tennessee Valley. Temperatures responding nicely. Mostly upper 60s, low 70s. Tuscaloosa 71, Birmingham 69. Some spots will likely see low 80s tomorrow as the warming trend continues. There's the watch warning map, a fairly quiet day for much of the country. Some wind issues out west. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. We have a risk of thunderstorms out west. No severe storms expected there. And then tomorrow, a risk of severe storms from the Texas Hill Country up into parts of Kansas, Missouri, and Iowa. And day 3, which is Wednesday, we have an enhanced risk over much of Mississippi and some of the adjacent states, including West Alabama. This is the probabilistic outlook, and you can see that hatched area. That means the chance of a few strong tornadoes. By definition, that's EF2 or higher, or significant wind damage in that zone. That does clip the western part of Alabama. In our state, the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5, covers areas basically west of a line from near Red Bay to Birmingham to Monroeville. We've got a slight risk, level 2 out of 5, as far east as Huntsville, Anniston, Pike Road, Andalusia, and then the rest of East Alabama in a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. And a closer look at modeling here in just a second. Rain for the next 7 days, wettest weather in the country right here for most of Alabama. Rain amounts between 1 and 3 inches. The bulk of this will be late Wednesday and Wednesday night. There could be some flooding issues with that system. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. There's your big trough in the west. But again, for us, we're dry. Warm, highs up in the low 80s, the sky partially sunny. Wednesday, thunderstorms off to the west. This is Wednesday afternoon at 4. Let's go to the high-res NAM. This is valid Wednesday evening at 7. And you can see a QLCS, a quasi-linear convective system, a squall line, approaching Alabama from the west at that point. And it looks like this will be a linear-type system, meaning the main threat will be from damaging straight-line winds. The instability values are pretty marginal here. Again, it's a case of great dynamics, marginal thermodynamics, basically no instability for the eastern half of the state. But the winds are screaming. This is the low-level jet, a max of 84 knots, 5,000 feet off the ground. We could easily see winds gusting to 40, 45 miles an hour, away from storms, gradient winds, Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening in advance of the storms. Storm relative helicity values are certainly high enough for rotating updrafts, and the STP, the significant tornado parameter, higher values over parts of southwest Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. So in terms of timing, we'll say for West Alabama, the main window between 5 and 11 p.m. Wednesday. For I-65, Birmingham, Montgomery, places like that, the window between 7 p.m. and 1 a.m. And then for East Alabama, 9 p.m. until 3 a.m., storms weakening, of course, at that point as they push into the more stable air mass. So, again, it looks like mainly a linear system with a chance of damaging straight-line winds. There could be a couple of tornadoes involved in the line and very windy in advance of that line. So be prepared. The threat will be over most likely by daybreak Thursday. Then during the day Thursday, we'll forecast a clearing sky. The high will be close to 70. Friday, the sky partly to mostly sunny, highs in the upper 60s. And Saturday looks like a nice day. A good supply of sunshine, highs around 70. And Sunday, again, mostly sunny with a high close to 70. Here's a week from today, Monday, April 4th, new trough out west. We're still dry. That next system will come in here Tuesday night. This is valid Tuesday night of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday, April 7th. We're dry with the southwest flow aloft, and again, that looks like a fairly pleasant day. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 4 inches between now and the 13th of April. Temperatures 83 on Wednesday. That's the warmest day. Then after that, highs mostly upper 60s and low 70s. And the latest CPC outlook, this is actually issued yesterday, March the 27th. This is valid April 4th through April 10th. Look at the blue here. That means temperatures will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.